Guys, you know that moment when your website looks beautiful, but loads painfully slow? You open it on your phone, the hero section just sits there, and you're waiting, and then you check page speed and see that yellow or red score. Suddenly, all that time you spent on design doesn't feel so impressive anymore. I am Daniel, and today we are talking about something that can seriously fix that – FlyingPress. It's a WordPress performance plugin that consistently ranks at the top of real-world Core Web Vitals performance based on Chrome UX report data. And that matters, guys, because those are real user metrics, not just artificial lab simulations. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's jump in. So guys, what exactly is FlyingPress? At its core, it's a premium optimization plugin built specifically for self-hosted WordPress sites. But here's the key difference. It's not just trying to inflate your page speed score. It's built around improving real user experience. FlyingPress focuses on Core Web Vitals, which are the metrics Google uses to measure how fast and stable your website feels to actual people. We are talking about loading speed, visual stability, and responsiveness. Not theory, real-world experience. What makes it stand out is that it combines multiple performance systems into one clean solution. Mates, instead of stacking caching plugins, image optimizers, code minifiers, and hoping nothing breaks, you get everything working together in one place. It removes unnecessary WordPress bloat, optimizes CSS and JavaScript, and even processes heavy images in the cloud. That last part is huge, friends, because it means your hosting server isn't overloaded while all this optimization is happening. So instead of juggling 5 different tools, you are working with one focused system that's built specifically to improve how your site feels to visitors. Now let's see how this plays out in real life. Folks, we start inside our FlyingPress account and download the plugin. We can see the license isn't activated yet, so we install it in WordPress, activate it, and enter the license key. Once it's done, the dashboard confirms that everything is ready to go. Now let's look at our test site. It's an organic product store. Clean, professional, modern design. On the surface, everything looks solid. But when we run page speed insights, the mobile score comes back at 68. Guys, that's firmly in the yellow zone. If we check the details, we see that the main issue is LCP, largest contentful paint. In our case, mates, that's the big homepage banner with products. It loads in 7.2 seconds. On mobile, that's painfully slow. Many visitors would close the page before that heavy banner even appears. Desktop performance isn't much better, still in the yellow range. And again, that same banner is the main bottleneck. Now here's something important, friends. Page speed shows lab data, simulated conditions, but FlyingPress focuses on real user data from the Chrome UX report. That's exactly what Google uses to evaluate your site. Even if simulations look decent, real users with slower internet may see something completely different. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. With FlyingPress installed and activated, we open the dashboard. From here, we can purge cache or preload cache instantly. Next, folks, we head to the Images tab. Our site has nearly 800 images. Normally, optimizing that many files would heavily strain your server. But FlyingPress processes images in its own cloud. That means your hosting remains responsive, while optimization runs in the background. We choose the AVIF format, one of the most advanced image formats available today. It dramatically reduces file size while preserving excellent quality. We click Optimize Images, and the process begins automatically. The plugin also serves properly sized images, depending on the user's screen, so visitors don't download unnecessary megabytes. And mates, remember, our main issue was that heavy banner affecting LCP. This directly targets the problem. While images are processing, we move to the Optimization tab. Here we enable minify CSS and JavaScript to reduce overall code size. Then we activate Remove Unused and Delay JavaScript. This ensures that only critical content loads immediately, while heavier scripts are postponed until they are actually needed. The result is a noticeably smoother first load. After that, we check the bloat section. By default, WordPress loads extra elements like emojis, old font libraries, dash icons, and other unnecessary scripts. We disable them with a few clicks. Each change may seem small on its own, but together, guys, they significantly reduce the amount of code the browser has to process. In the caching section, we enable links on hover. This feature starts loading a page the moment someone hovers over a link, so when they click, the transition feels almost instant. Back on the main dashboard, we can monitor cache status, and over time, real core Web Vitals data from the Chrome UX report appears directly inside the plugin. Friends, that means you're not just chasing lab scores, you're tracking real performance for real users around the world. Now comes the moment of truth. We didn't redesign anything, we didn't switch themes. We simply installed and configured FlyingPress. We run page speed insights again. Our 68 on mobile jumps to 98. That's a massive improvement. LCP drops to just over 2 seconds, placing it firmly in Google's green zone. Desktop performance also reaches 99%. Guys, what makes FlyingPress impressive isn't just the boost in synthetic scores. It's the alignment with real user metrics. The same data Google uses to evaluate website quality. You get cloud-based image optimization, intelligent caching, script control, and WordPress cleanup in one streamlined package. And the best part is that you don't need to be a developer to make it work. And before you go, friends, quick heads up. You can also grab FlyingPress with a 10% discount using the promo code in the description below. If you're planning to optimize your site anyway, you might as well save a bit while you're at it. Folks, if your WordPress site looks good but doesn't feel fast, FlyingPress can close that gap in a surprisingly simple way. Feel free to check out the links in the description below, you might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and till next time.